Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to stop fake virus notifications in your Google Chrome. First, you need to disable the Google Chrome extensions. So open your Google Chrome web browser on your computer, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and then hover over to the extensions section. You'll find it between the tab groups and delete browsing data. Now select Manage Extensions and disable all extensions by toggling the switch next to each one of the off position. Now adjust the site notification settings as well. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then after select Settings, and in the left-hand menu, select Privacy and Security option. Scroll down and select the Site Settings option. Again, scroll down and go to the section of notifications. You'll find it under the section of permission. Go ahead and select it. Here, you can remove suspicious websites individually. You can scroll down to allow send notifications. And if you see any suspicious websites, click on the three vertical dots beside it, then select remove. You can also remove all websites if you're unsure of the sources of the pop-ups. And you can also disable all notifications as well. To stop all fake virus notification pop-ups, scroll to the top of the notification section and select Do Not Allow to Send Notifications, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.